So guess what, y'all? I'm doing an update on my balcony garden. As you can see, everything is looking out of order. Things need trimming, and some things need repotting. You can see all my little jade plants. If I show some, I'll put some before and after photos, I guess. If I can do that in the video so you can see what the plant looked like before it got this big. The rainwater really blessed them to grow bigger. Look at all these jade plants. I forgot the name of this plant, but I know if I look in my videos I can see. Look how big the jade plant has gotten. That's sansevieria, I believe. My little elephant plant, it's gotten taller. It has a little snake plant in there from my propagating series of the snake plant that I grew from a leaf cutting from the water. That video has like 15,000 views since I did that. What a blessing. And here are some propagated jade plants, and what is that? That chain, Burrow's tail, and jade plants, and I guess some sansevierias in there. This one is not doing so good. The stuff is holding on. It's a piece of star snake plant in there. Some burrow tail, some Watchchain. Take you over to the other side. This here is a cinnamon basil plant with flower, burgundy flowers on it. This used to be really tiny. It loves water. And that's aloe vera plant I have over there. I've been cutting off of it, using it to I've been using that as a product for my natural hair to keep it soft and moisturized. I use that aloe vera plant. I bet y'all can't hear me because I'm talking so low. Spider plant. All this stuff has grown huge because of the rain. Watchchain is all over the place. It needs trimming. This is the pink. I forgot what this called. Pink lady something. I just trimmed that back because it had got so big and it had purple flowers. This thing is a mess, but you guys bear with me. This is the well, you guys see what it is. It used to be really small, and now look how big it got from the rainwater. And I put some Miracle Grow in there. This is my, dang, I forgot, lemon, I don't know if it's thyme or oregano, one of them. I just stuck a piece of elephant jade plant in there in case it fully demises. And this is what my oregano plant is looking like now. The rainwater helped it grow back. Hopefully by the spring it'll be full. And I got the Burrow's tail there, Watchchain, and some more spider plants, a whole bunch of spider plants. I just potted, propagated, and I just made a bunch of them. That's my onion plant, Basil, and this is my baby that I propagated that has the 15,000 views from when I first started it from a leaf cutting, Watchchain. Yep. And this is the sansevieria. Dang, I forgot the name of this plant. I haven't been doing my plant stuff lately, so I forgot the name of everything. It's kind of messy on this balcony now. I have to clean it up. This is the Monstera. The leaf on here is huge. I'm gonna cut this thing down, but just wanted to share what's going on with the plants on the balcony, my propagating experiments, my repotting, and just an update on how these plants are doing. Oh, wait a minute. It's a mess over there. Can't get over there. I was going to show y'all my mint plant. The original mint plant died, and then before it died, it's dying back, but I had took piece off of it and it grew another plant. But anyway, just sharing. Thanks for watching. Update of my plants. Been a while. I've been crafting. Y'all seen I've been painting, knitting, crocheting, just crafting a lot. I guess I'll be moving to more videos of my balcony garden soon, but I'm still in the crafting mode. But I guess gradually I'll be moving back to other things, but I won't stop completely doing everything. It'll be different, a variety of videos. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.